Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create modern typographic posters using tracking in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and set a large canvas for a poster design. First I type the main headline using a bold font that stands out. Then I highlight the text and gradually increase tracking for a spacious, elegant effect. After that I duplicate the text layer and reduce tracking slightly for a denser look. Now I add layer styles like soft drop shadows and subtle highlights for depth. Next I check alignment with other design elements using smart guides. Then I combine tracking adjustments with kerning tweaks for precise letter spacing. After this I refine gradient overlays to complement the text aesthetics.